Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices eased more than 1% after traders learned that prolonged supply disruptions from Hurricane Beryl were unlikely after a US oil-producing hub in Texas suffered less storm damage than feared. The dollar gained after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged progress in inflation and a cooling job market, but did not give a clear signal that the US central bank is close to cutting interest rates. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, a metric tracking relative market sentiment, has hit the lowest level since January 2023. For reference, January 2023 was only 2 months following the collapse of the crypto exchange FTX, when Bitcoin was trading around $16,500.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT, Finland's industrial output at 5 GMT, the UK's RICS housing price balance at 23:01 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. The Portuguese consumer price index at 10 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.